Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Motorcycles. I have an E36 1998 M3 here. Very factory original car, immaculate condition. This car is sold, as we can see the window tag, and the next owner wanted to keep it factory original but add some modern features. So what I'm showing you today is a plug-and-play, literally plug-and-play harness that intercepts the factory radio harness. And adds Bluetooth capabilities. So we have kind of a Bluetooth module here, or dongle, and it intercepts in with the factory harnesses, this end going into the factory head unit, and then this accepting the body harness of the car. And there's even a remote microphone that comes with the kit, so we can see it's just a little jack there that plugs into the module, and then we can run this. It comes with a couple different mounting options. We have double-sided tape on a little platform. You can actually angle it different ways, and there's also even a clip. You could probably insert this, if you have a hard top, you could probably insert this partially into the headliner, and then the microphone clips onto the ball there, and you can aim it as desired. And it even has that little slit there to hold the factory wire in a nice fashion. So right now the technician's just been working on removing the radio. There are some specialty tools involved to release the factory radio. It's kind of cool how it works. There's a couple very little screws on the left and right side. We can see those little panels that have been flipped open, and once those are unscrewed, it releases the radio and allows it to be removed from the vehicle, so there's no messing with trim panels or bezels. Really cool design on BMW's part. And I will mention too, as far as operation, you do select the CD option. So this will feed the audio input from your phone into the radio via selecting the tape or CD option. So after the technician gets this installation all set, I will show you the operation and comment on the kind of integration and sound quality. And now we have the radio out, and I just wanted to show you the harness quick. We can see it just plugs right into the factory harness and then into the radio. Of course, we have these things carefully set down to not damage any of the interior. This, I believe, is the factory antenna wire, which of course that will be connected once the radio gets put back in. But we can see the technician is now running the line for the remote microphone, which he's going to mount that up by the rear view mirror. And we have just tested it. It all works beautifully. The sound quality is very good, which I will comment on that more once it's all back together. And the call quality was great as well. So now let's let the technician button everything up, and I'll resume the video when the car is all done. And welcome to the final segment. The E36 is all put back together, and now it's in our main kind of delivery showroom where there's all sorts of exciting things to see. But let's focus on the E36. Let me hop in it here and shut the door. We can see the microphone. We ended up mounting it in this top left corner. Very discreet in a good location to have some nice sound quality. So you can see we used just a little double-sided foam tape that it came with, so easily removable, doesn't do damage to anything. And of course ran the cord underneath the factory panels. And now we have the original OEM radio with Bluetooth, and you would never know because everything looks factory. Very cool in my opinion. I love stuff like this. So we can see it recognizes the input as a CD. All you do is hit the tape CD button to go to your input. And I've got my work phone here already paired with the Bluetooth. It took like 2 seconds, as you would pair anything with Bluetooth. And let's see, I will pull up this video.
Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars.
And we can see me there.
Today I'm doing a fun little video on this 2023 Euro gear up, and that's going to be how to use our reverse.
So I'm not sure if you could hear that a little bit, but there's no crackling. The sound quality, honestly, it sounds like a modern system. I was listening to some, copyrighted music I can't play for you on YouTube. But listening to your normal music and tunes, it sounds really, really good, like on par with, you know, the kind of modern systems you get in cars now, where it's all integrated from the factory. And of course, we can see there's component speakers with tweeters, kind of mids and tweeters in this E36. It already has a very nice system, and now this is giving it a clean and high quality audio signal. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching this cool video on how to integrate Bluetooth in your E36. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Please like and subscribe for future exciting motoring content like this.